All right, so we discovered, we're, we're working on My Girl, that there is another lick in this song thanks to trumpets. And it's in the second stanza of There's so much honey, the bees envy me. I got a sweeter song than the birds in the trees. So this is what I've come up with, and see what you can come up with too. We figured out together by humming it that the notes are E, F, G. It's all happening on one string. It's all happening on the E string. E, F, G, and it's all happening fast because trumpet players apparently can do that. And as Candace was saying, it sounds like a hammer on me. Yes, it sounds like a hammer on to me too. So I am plucking the F, and then I'm going to hammer on the last two notes in this lick. So watch this. Pluck, I didn't mean the F, I mean the E string. And then I'm going to hammer on the F and hammer on the G. Pluck the E, hammer, hammer. And you really got to hammer like hell. Here we go. So, 2, 3. Let's see how I'm going to do this. I have to do it in context. Hang on. I got so much honey, the bees envy me. And you know what? So I could stay in the pocket. I did a tap before I hit that F chord. So let me show you. 1, 2, 3. I've got so much honey, the bees envy me. I got a sweeter song than the birds in the trees. And boy, we get another option for doing a lick, and you get another option. You could throw that into the solo and see if that works in some places. So there you go.